In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix site name. Whether you're rebranding, updating your business identity, or simply feel like it's time for a change. Altering your site's name is a straightforward process that you can do in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to visit the Wix website and navigate to your site's dashboard. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. You'll want to head over to the home section of your Wix dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see various options and settings related to your website. The goal here is to find the specific site that you want to modify. Next, look for the three small dots located next to your site's name or right under the Site Actions section. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is the key to accessing several important functions that allow you to manage your site more effectively. You'll notice that it contains a variety of options, but right now we're specifically interested in the one that allows us to rename your site. Once the menu appears, select the option labeled Rename Site. This is where you get to input the new name that you've been thinking about. Before you dive right in, spend a moment considering what you want your new site name to be. It's worth putting some thought into this because your site's name is an essential aspect of your brand identity. Make it memorable and descriptive of what your site offers. After you've settled on the perfect new name, go ahead and type it in. Make sure to double-check the spelling and formatting before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the name you've entered, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the form. Clicking on it finalizes the renaming process. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Wix site name. Remember, it might take a little time for the changes to reflect everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see the update immediately on your main site. And lastly, if you're planning to change the domain name to match your new site name, that's a separate process that involves domain settings, and that's it! You've completed the process of renaming your Wix site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was useful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.